Good morning, today's Saturday and I can finally talk about what exciting plans we've got for today. Today, a good friend of mine who also happens to be a pilot is going to be taking us up on a flight. I think we're going to head to Grafton Water over near Bedford and then maybe fly over Luton Airport. So it's going to be exciting. We have arrived at the flying club and look at the weather.
And the basic idea is to go up to Grafton Water, which is up here.
Yep.
Have a look around Grafton Water, take some pictures and stuff. Then we'll come back down the A1, then we'll cut across to Bedford. Then we'll come back down, rejoin what they call downwind for 26 left and come back.
Yeah,
so that's the basic plan.
So are you excited to fly, Han?
Yeah, I'm excited.
So when we're going up, we're going to go up in about 25 minutes for about an hour.
Look across the other side, make sure they're opposing each other, one up, one down, let's go in the right direction. Nothing there at all. And that's all clear as well.
Are you excited to fly?
I'm very, very excited. Very, very excited. It's going to be good. Going to be good.
Are you disappointed you're not flying?
Well, you know, I've got to give you the experience. I've done it before. So I'll sit in the back and just wonder.
Okay, so I've been told that when we're up in the air, probably somewhere over Bedford, that I'm going to get a chance to fly this thing for a small amount of time. So assuming you're watching this, that means that I didn't crash. So Becca,
Yeah?
are you excited about flying today?
Yeah, definitely.
What are you most excited about?
I think I'm just excited about getting up there and I've never been on a light aircraft, so just seeing what it's like in a light aircraft really. I've only ever been on normal planes.
Are you nervous about the fact that I'm going to fly the aircraft?
Yeah, that is a bit of a...
And why is that?
Because you've never flown a plane before in your life.
But you let me drive the car.
Yeah, I let you drive a car, but you have a driving licence, you don't have a plane licence.
She doesn't know what she's talking about.